What's something people don't know about expensive cats? Why are there not more people talking about these high-end fur balls? Get ready to be amazed by their price tags. Coming in at number 10, the British Shorthair. This charming kitty can cost up to $1,500. Next, the Scottish Fold with its adorable folded ears sits at $3,000. And at number 8, the Sphynx Hairless but worth up to $3,000. How about the Russian Blue? This sleek beauty can set you back $3,500. Moving up the list, the Peterbald, a unique, elegant breed priced up to $5,000. Halfway there with the Persian, sitting at a cool $5,500. The Alurka Hypoallergenic Cat, perfect for allergy sufferers, comes in at $6,000. Next, the Bengal with its wild looks costs up to $10,000. Close to the top, the Savannah, an exotic mix priced at $20,000. And finally, the Ashera, the ultimate luxury cat, costing a jaw-dropping $125,000. Want to learn more about these luxurious pets? Hit that subscribe button.